Hey everyone, this is Kevin from Neum AI, and today I'll be showing you how to use Neum AI to create data pipelines to automatically bring up-to-date context to your AI applications. So I created this simple chatbot application that allows me to interact with my Notion workspace. And here's my Notion workspace, by the way, just very sample data. And before even creating any data pipelines with Neum and whatnot, I'm just going to ask this chatbot, hey, what are the main technologies used? And so there's no context that I've given to this bot. So of course the answer is going to be, "Hey, I'm sorry, I don't know the answer to the question." That makes sense. And lots of people have, created these chat applications where you can bring this context to your chatbot in order for for it to respond appropriately. But people sometimes don't realize that that context needs to automatically be refreshed in case something changes at the source, which is where Neum comes in. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a pipeline that specifies a source, which is Notion in this case, and I've obfuscated the API keys across all of these components. And then we're going to essentially tell the pipeline that after we read that source, we're going to embed it, we're going to vectorize it using OpenAI embedding models. And then what we're going to do is the output of that, we're going to store it in Pinecone, which is the vector store of our choosing. And I've used a specific namespace here that is also connected to our chatbot that I was talking about there. And I had just created a pipeline before, and so that's why you see that there. But essentially, let's go ahead and schedule this pipeline, and we're going to use auto. We're going to use auto because we want to automatically make sure that the source is updated with our vector store every time there's a change. So we're going to save the schedule and we're going to go ahead and create. And you can see that if I go to the My Pipelines tab here, our pipeline just got created there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just chat with the bot right now that the pipeline has been created there, and just see what the bot responds without even changing anything in our Notion workspace here. So if I say something like, what are the main technologies? And you can see that it says the main technologies are Newman, Python, and Fast API. That's awesome. Now let's say that our documentation changed, and we now use C# and ASP.NET as our main backend technologies. And yes, I'm from Microsoft originally, and so I still like my C# code. But now let's go here to our chatbot. And now that that has been updated, our workspace has been updated, let's go to the chatbot and let's ask, what are the main technologies? And as you can see, the context has been updated. And so the bot can now respond accordingly. And it says, hey, the main technologies are now C# and ASP.NET. And this is a sample Notion workspace and a sample chat application, but the power really here is the backend side of things, which is Neum and how the data is being synced, and it's efficiently vectorizing only the right stuff that is needed. And that's what I wanted to show you folks here. Until next time.